Don't play no game. If you take up the mace and come out of the house, take up the mace and run out of the house and stop the sitting of the parliament. What I saw is what's playing around. And that's where I get upset with you. If you take it up and come out. And this morning, I would be standing on the top of Blue Mountain, shouting your name. No. Based on the rules of the parliament, if you take up the mace, you're wrong. So it's just like a footballer. A forward gateway. And the defender end up behind. And you have to clean him up. And take a red card. Clean him up and take the red card. So if you all get suspended, don't get suspended for playing around Dr. Burke. Take up the mace. Come out of the house. Write the history books. If you are protest, seriously. So, to the Speaker of the House, 2 wrongs don't make a right. And that's why you shouldn't be Speaker of the House, Juliet Holness. Because for you, this is personal. Because you see everything as an attack on your husband. And that's why you should not be in that chair. You behave like a virate.